about how can you face this problem on your funny prank sounds app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for funny prank sounds app, or just click on search. Then here add funny prank sounds, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. Then you search here for funny prank sounds. It's going to show for you like this. You will find their update, click on it. So then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like it, subscribe.